It's your girl, Ilana Stylist, and I am back again with a very special guest. I got my girl, Natasha, here. She is the founder of the Traveling Pants of the Single Mom podcast. So check her out. Her information will be down below in the description box. And her podcast is every Wednesday night at 8:30 p.m., right?
Yes,
on
ma'am.
Facebook. So today we're going to do a very simple tutorial of how to transition your twist out hairstyle into a detailed fro hawk. So if you're interested in seeing how we achieve this style, stay tuned. All right, so getting started. As you can see, Natasha's hair is still pretty detailed from this twist out that she previously did. And all I'm gonna do, y'all, is spice it up a bit, okay? She already cute. We just gonna add a little razzle dazzle to the sides of her hair and give her a detailed fro hawk as stated before. All right, so what I'm doing right now is just sectioning off my sides because we want them to be even, okay? Ladies, you're gonna want to compare from side to side as I'm doing and make sure that both sections are equal. I'm actually sectioning out the hair so that I can do flat twists on each side, okay? That's the big secret. Literally, we're just doing some flat twists, okay? Super simple. I believe in this video, I recorded it so long ago, guys, forgive me. I believe I'm using Edge Booster Edge Control, and I do recommend this product, but I will tell you that you want to put an oil in the hair when using this Edge Control because it does leave a little bit of white and we don't really want that. So you can use the Edge Control if you want to, but make sure you use an oil with it. That is my final comment on Edge Booster Edge Control. But moving forward, what I currently use is Gorilla Snot Gel. When I'm working with any natural client, that gel has some power, and it's amazing because it actually is very inexpensive and it is a little sticky, so you're going to want to have a wet nap nearby if you're using your hands. But I do recommend working with Gorilla Snot Gel with a edge brush. You see me use my little comb just to give her a little swoop-de-doo. And I am proceeding to flat twist. It's super simple, guys. So on this side, I did 3, and then I just kind of clipped it up so that it can get out of my way. And I just kind of want to make sure that they are all even, okay? Y'all, look at that definition. Very nice. Yes. So beautiful so far. I am flat twisting, flat twisting, flat twisting. So while we're waiting, how is everybody's day going so far? I know you guys are not able to talk back to the screen, but I am right now just praying that all of my viewers are having a blessed day. I don't know if it's the end of your day or the start of your day, but I hope you remember to put God first this morning. Okay? The hair ministry. We gotta have a little commercial, a little jingle or whatever, you know, working on it. So now I'm doing the other side, and you see that little swoop-de-doo. It's really nice. I'm just making sure that I am laying those edges before I start each twist, okay? You want nice, crisp details. All right, ladies? Yes, ma'am. Look at Natasha in that popping pink lip. Yes. I was so glad she wore that lipstick because it popped so well with this yellow background, guys. Aesthetics. Very nice. Make sure you lay those edges really nice. Little pop. And we twist. Look at her face beat. Beautiful, gorgeous brown skin. Yes, highlight. My sis is beautiful. We're almost done here. We are gonna do one more twist on this side,
and make sure it lines up evenly with the first side that we just twisted. Super simple style, you guys. Almost done. I did 4. I don't know why I thought I just did 3. All right, so we're going for one more twist back there. Give her some detail and definition. I know y'all see that shine. Yes, and detail. Beautiful. All right, so the last thing I'm going to do here is grab my bobby pins, and we're going to pin our fro hawk into place. I first pin down the twists, and then I go throughout the rest of her hair and give it the final cleanup and details that we want. So I'm smoothing down the edges. I'm pulling out the details in the middle of her fro hawk, and I'm bobby pinning down any corners that need to be tucked away. And we're making it beautiful. She showed us a little profile. I'm thinking I'm grabbing the mirror. I recorded this video so long ago. What you doing, sis? Come back. Come back. We talking. I think I'm grabbing bobby pins. Yes, because lots of bobby pins are needed for a detailed fro hawk. You just really want to kind of zhuzh it into place. Ooh, and I showed it to her. She's loving it. That smile just popped. It's beautiful, you guys. This hairstyle can be done with any detailed curl style. So if you want to do a wash and go and then do something detailed on the sides, I am gonna now show you how to sleep. We rolling. We almost done. I have that blue scarf there because I'm showing my girl what she needs to do to preserve this style throughout the rest of the week. Yes, ladies, you can wear your detailed fro hawk for another week, okay? We're stretching styles in 2020. Yes. Make sure that the sides are laid down and are beautiful. That's it, y'all. I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Natasha, for being a special guest here at the Hair Ministry. We love you, girl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please, everyone, subscribe to the Traveling Pans of a Single Mom podcast on YouTube and follow them on Facebook, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching.